Hello friends, I am Sanjay Gupta. In this video, I am going to discuss about a program which is to print sum of individual columns of a 2D array. The objective of the program is written in the first statement with the help of comment. Then I have included a header file for printf scanf, that is stdio.h. Then main function is used. It contains various instructions, in which first is variable declaration. Here A is a 2D array which is of size 3 by 3. Then printf statement is used. It will display enter a 3 by 3 matrix message on console. Then these nested loops are used to read 3 by 3 matrix from the user. The scanf statement will store all the elements of array in different indexes which are entered by the user. After this reading process, again a nested loop is used to add all the elements which are available on different columns. So I is initialized with 0, then I is checked with 3, I less than 3. If this condition is true, then this inner loop will be executed 3 times. So 3 times it will add the elements which are stored at AJI. So I have swapped values of these indexes. Earlier it was IJ. IJ represents row entity. If I write JI, so it will point out columns. So as I'm going to execute this inner loop, J is 0, J less than 3, so condition is true. Then S equals to S plus JI. So initially J is 0 and I is 0, so 0 0 index value will be added to S. Then J plus plus will be executed, then condition will be checked. It is true right now. Then AJI, right now J is 1 and I is 0. So 1 0 is the column number which is available inside second row, and it is first element of second row. So you can see that by swapping these indexes with the help of JI, we can add the first column's elements. After completion of this inner for loop, this printf statement will print the sum of first column on console. Then I have reinitialized S with 0 because now I am going to add elements of second column. Then I plus plus will be executed, then condition is checked. Then this inner for loop will add the elements of second column now. After completion of this for loop, the printf statement will print the sum of second column. Then S will be reinitialized. Then I plus plus will be executed. Then it will check the condition. Then again elements of third row will be added with the help of this J loop. Then printf will print the sum of third column. Then S equals to 0 will executed. Then I plus plus will be executed. Then in fourth round of condition checking, this condition will be false. So after completion of these for loop, the sum of all the individual columns will be displayed on console. Now first I am compiling this code for error checking. Errors are 0, so I can run this code. It is asking for 9 elements, that is 3 by 3 matrix. So I am entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are 9 different elements for 3 by 3 matrix. Now you can draw this matrix on your copy, and you can add the elements of first column, which addition will be 12, addition of second column will be 15, and addition of third column will be 18. So do implement this program on your laptop or desktop so that you can print the sum of individual columns on your computer's output screen. Now these are my details. You can note down these details for any kind of query and problems. You can also download my app, that is StackMS, from Google Play Store. It contains tutorials about C, C++, Java, PHP, etc. You can also download various PPTs from tutorials.techms.in link. You can read my books which are related to various programming languages. You can watch or subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Sanjay Gupta _ Tech School. It contains videos regarding various programming languages. Thank you so much for watching this video.